Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we'll solve cvc complex type 2.4.a. Invalid content was found starting with element extension level 1 of layout lib is expected error in Android Studio. So without wasting your time, let's get started. This error comes in action when we import our project and Gradle build started. It failed because of this error. So to solve this error, first of all, we need to go to Gradle scripts. After that, we need to click on build Gradle. In build Gradle, you have to search for dependencies. In dependencies, go for class path, com.android.tools, build Gradle. In build Gradle, you need to change the Gradle to 4.0.2. After that, here you can see Gradle project sync failed because of 3.1.2. So we need to click on try again to sync this new Gradle with our project. As you can see, Gradle build model started. We'll click on build. As you can see, build successfully in 9 seconds. So this is all about how to solve this error. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications.